Hey guys, welcome to my channel where we talk about forex trading through automation. Automation could be done through any forex system or maybe EA or robots, whatever we call. Okay, so it's been a long time that I've created any video on the forex EA. Since I think the last video, the new EA that I created was in January or something, and after that I was busy in testing many EAs and forex robots, and I wanted to upload the video of that kind of robot which is comparable with what other EA that I have uploaded earlier. Okay, so fortunately I found this one and I'm pretty happy with it. And this is called EFTP EA. It is a currency trading EA, and as well as very good with gold trading as well. So there are hardly many EAs that are equally good. So it is equally good with gold as well. Okay, so let's go with the details. Earlier we presented or made the trading videos on a couple of forex EA like Green Pips, Profit Maker, ILKS, Hedge Expert, Sniper Dog, I Am Millionaire, and Trade Winning Master. Right, so I wanted to create a video on the next EA which is equally comparable or even better than what I have uploaded earlier. So this is something that I'm really I'm really enthusiastic and pretty much happy with this EA, the new EA, EFTP. This is a trend-based EA that works best on the hourly time frame, and it mainly works on resistance and support, and it goes with the trend. Suppose the trend is confirmed, it will take the order in that particular uh, direction. Okay, and in case if the trend is not confirmed, then it will open buy and sell order initially and then go with the trend later. Okay, it uses many indicators like ATR, Bollinger Bands, and the volatility ratio, MACD, CCI, RSI, and many more. And one of the good feature is that it has inbuilt news filter as well. Many people ask about in news filter, because many people are afraid of trading when there is a high fluctuating news. However, I don't bother about any fluctuations due to the news, but still many of the people do, because if a trend is confirmed, then a kind of news doesn't make a long impact, right? If a trend is confirmed, that the trend will continue, maybe for those moments, that kind of fluctuation you can experience, but at the end it will take the trend, whatever the trend is there. I have been using testing and trading with this EA since January end of this year, and I have used this EFTPA in multiple real and demo accounts on many pairs. Okay, and since I found it very good, that is the reason I'm presenting you this video. And as I said, one of the best thing, it works equally great with gold as well. Okay, because many people ask me about the gold EA. However, I don't prefer to trade with gold because it is a metal. So trading with metal and currency pairs both are different, and a huge impact can happen. I mean, like if there is same kind of fluctuation in gold and same kind of fluctuation in any currency pair, but you will see the effect is very different. Okay, so overall it's all in one kind of forex EA. So I will be sharing a few of the demo and real account result that I have used to trade with this EA in the past, and what I'm doing in present. Since I used to check the feasibility with multiple brokers too, so you may find with different time trading results, some are the trading that I was doing in Feb, some in June, some in March, some in May, some in July. Okay, so and if I include all the trading account where I traded with this EA, then it will be a long video. Hence, I will be sharing you just two accounts, one at a time, and we'll be sharing those results, and I will create multiple videos one by one like this on different kind of accounts. And during this weekend, maybe tomorrow or maybe day after, what I will do, that I will create screenshots of all the trades, and we'll put it into a folder, and we'll provide you a link to view them over Google or wherever it is. Okay, because reports for all the EA might not be possible, because I don't stick to one EA. Okay, and I used to replace one EA with the other, and Even on my real account, I used to trade with different EAs. Maybe 1 month this EA, 1 month that EA, 15 days something or like that. And in the demo account also, I have not created any specific demo account for this purpose. And maybe after a specific time, maybe after 2 months, 3 months, or 4 months, I used to change the EA, and I used to test other different EAs. Okay, as you already know that I have like almost like I'm using around 15 VPS, 14 to 15 VPS with around 20 to 24 accounts, and I used to test the EAs on all those accounts at a time, all the time in fact. Okay, so I will try to create this folder, and will provide you the link in the description during the weekend, maybe by tomorrow. Okay, so let's go to EFTP. So this is one of the account. This is a demo account though. Okay, and the reason I prefer it because I don't have to worry about the withdrawals or something, because that creates a huge difference in the result. Okay, and so let's go from here. I'm just sharing it from the start. Okay, from the 1st of May, I mean, it was a demo deposit of 8,000, and we started from 3rd of May. I mean, it was Monday, so the trades have started there. So I'm sharing you each and everything from scratch. Just go through all these trading activities on all the trades, because the report might not be possible, since after 10th of August I am running some other account over here. Okay, so just go through each. I may provide you the screenshot, or I think like I have taken a report up till last month, from like I think like July end. I think I have taken a report, so I might share you that report, but not till today, since I'm using some other EA in this account. But till 10th of August or 11th of August, I have used this EA. So if you want, then I can provide you the screenshot. But taking a screenshot for 3 months for each of the trade, I have used 8 pairs over here. Generally, I don't prefer to trade with 8 pairs. I generally trade with 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, or maximum 4 pairs at a time. But I prefer to trade with multiple pairs at a time, and those pairs which are kind of different from each other. Not all that are USD based, not all that are non-USD based. I just want a mix of all those pairs. Okay, and it is my advice to you that whenever you trade with multiple pairs, that is my first of all suggestion, because it will diversify your risk as well. Because if the market is going in one direction because the USD is very strong, then I mean, each of the like euro or either GBP, both that are USD based, GBP USD or euro USD, they will follow the same direction. In that case, the drawdown could be much more, right? And if you include some other pairs like Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, or maybe euro GBP, euro USD GBP, or maybe I mean some other combination that is not impacted by the USD. Okay, so I would prefer to be a combination of all of these, so that in the case of any kind of fluctuation with USD or anything, that will not impact all of the pairs at once. So that is my suggestion. And in case if you want to use just one pair, then just keep the equity strong. Many people ask me that what is the minimum to trade with or something. Minimum could be anything. You can trade with $50 also, but $50 will not sustain in this market until and unless you are a pro and you are very lucky that you just trade in the direction of the trade, because it is hard. It is hardly there that whenever you place a trade, the buying price, and from that price the price will start growing on the buying side. So it hardly happens, right? You must have seen like there was some, I mean, higher lot that was there. That higher lot happened because I changed the lot size and the lot multiplier in between of the trades. So never change the lot size or the lot multiplier in between whenever the trades are already going on. Don't do that. But since it was my demo account, so that doesn't matter. But generally, like, it is my advice that don't do that. I mean, don't change the multiplier and all those things in between. Okay, in between of the trades, like whatever you have to do once the trade is closed, just do whatever changes you want to do in the setting, but not in between. Okay, so you can see buy sell, and it's not like always that it will go in just one direction, just based on the trend it used to follow. And here we are going. And guys, trade with whatever money you have, but keep it on the higher side, whatever, as much as possible, because there is nothing minimum in the forex. You don't know which pair and what impact can happen with any such incident, which is unpredictable. Okay, so I'm going slowly. You can just see each of the trade there. I generally used to create a report, but unfortunately I was not able to make the video when I changed from this robot to some other robot to test. Uh, because if I create the report now, it will take the trades and the result of the other EA that I have been testing, not on this one, not about this EA. So I have used this EA till 10th or 11th of August, and I will show you the result till then. Maybe 1 or 2 days, doesn't matter. Okay, I think it's already like I mean 2 months and few days, right? You can see, you can say like around May, June, July, 12 weeks, 13 weeks, 14 to 15 weeks result here. I mean, you can see, you can say like that. Okay, and some kind of volatility or maybe some higher lot, you can see that is obvious, because one has to match the direction of the trade as well, right? But generally it has taken lower lots most of the time, 90% of the time. Okay, this is the demo account, so like I have not withdrawn anything, otherwise I mean the result would have been different, and I prefer to do it on demo, just to show others, because I mean I will show you other results of the my real accounts also. But in the real account, I used to withdraw, I used to deposit, I used to run other EA, and I mean, as I said, that generally I don't run anything more than one month or 1.5 month. I used to change the EA time to time, and it's not always that I have been trading, right? Sometimes I require money, I used to withdraw, and I quit trading for a few days or maybe few weeks, and then I started trading again. Okay. So let me go a little fast now, because we have not even covered the half of the duration yet. I'm sorry for, like, if you are hearing some outside noise, because I'm not a professional YouTuber. So maybe you are experiencing something, and some outside noise, then please ignore that, and please excuse for that. Excuse my brevity. Okay. This is something that I've been showing it from the start. And just uh, okay. I'm feeling pain in my fingers while scrolling it so slowly. But I want to be slow as possible, because you can see each of the trade clearly. And in case if you, I mean, find it somewhere fast, you can just stop your video and you can just see the trade from there. I will try to include the report if I'm having. I think like I have created a video in July. I don't remember it exactly what date, but not now, because it will take the trades what uh, are running on the other EA after 12th or 13th of August. So I can't create a report of this now since this is a demo account. I Because it's already been like 3 months, right? From 1st of May till 1st of August, it will be 3 months. So I don't run anything more than that on any of my account. Generally, I used to trade any EA to test any EA for around 2 to 3 months earlier, and if I found it consistent, otherwise I used to replace it every day or maybe every week based on the result and the kind of setting that I can change. And since it's been 3 months, so I started using it for testing other EA on this account. But whatever screenshot or like whatever report that I will be able to do, but report might not be possible for all the accounts because I don't run it all the time. But whatever I will be having, I will create a Google Google Drive. I will create on Google Drive some link where I can put all the screenshot report, like whatever I can provide. Generally, I was not extracting the reports earlier, but starting from this year, I think like most of the EA that I have uh, uploaded, I think like I have provided like the reports was created at that time. But I have not created any Google link or something like that for those. But for this one, since I have to show multiple videos, and so that is the reason I will create a video. A link for that. Guys, I think like I have to move a little fast. My fingers are paining now. Okay, so but still, I don't want to go that fast that you can. That you will say that. That that you miss some trade or something like that. This is all starting from scratch, and you see, since I have used a mix of different kind of pairs, so you will not see that all the pairs are moving in the same direction at a time, right? Because it is a mix of uh, pairs, different currency pairs, and all currency pair will not provide you or on the same effect that one used to do if one is affected by USD or one is affected by GBP or anything. I have used a mix of currency pairs here. So it is not something that I will be suggesting you. It is something that I personally use when I used to trade. If I have sufficient equity, I used to trade on multiple pairs. Rather than I increase the lot size, I used to trade with multiple pairs just to minimize my risk, because every pair is different. And but as I said, I prefer to be mix of USD and non-USD pairs, and in different combinations like USD JPY, USD CAD, or USD CHF, or either Euro USD or GBP USD. Like one each of these, and one non-USD pair or two of the non-USD pair, either GBP USD or GBP AUD, or maybe Euro GBP, or maybe GBP JPY, whatever. If you're using like four pairs, try to use the pairs like two of them non-volatile, less volatile, one medium volatile, and one is some bit high volatile. Okay, so that at least you will gain the profit, and at the same time it will also manage the risk. Right? So we are at the mid of July now. Okay, so guys, always trade with the amount that that you can afford to lose. Don't ever trade with the money that you have taken it from someone, you have borrowed it from someone, or you have taken a loan on, or never trade with the money that is being kept at your home for the family purpose. Okay, always trade with the money that is extra, that is extra for you. Okay, so because uh, Forex EA can just make your trading simpler. It doesn't guarantee that you will be winning. I mean, that you will be a winner each and every time. Because if trading forex is that easy, then everybody will take an EA and will stop working, and the economy of the country will collapse. And secondly, the forex market is not there to give you money. They are there to lose you money. Okay, so that is the reason 98% of the people lose money. Only 2% of the people make money, and those people are 90% of them are professional traders. They know how to trade. They will take minimum risk, and their profit expectation monthly is not more than 4 to 5%. Those are the called professional traders. Otherwise, it's very easy to grow an account immediately, and it's more easy to see that account blowing to $0 in few minutes. So consistency is the key, guys. Whatever you earn low, but should be consistent. And don't over exceed your expectation without any reason, because there is no other investment which can even provide you 1% every month, right? So just go, just don't go for the rosy pictures that other people use to upload the videos that we have made like 1000 US dollars with investment of 500 or something like that, because that is too easy to show for 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, but not consistent. That will not happen. And you will feel more bad if you have grown an account from 1000 to 10,000 US dollars in 3 months, and suddenly you lose all the money in just 1 month, just because you were greedy and your expectations were too much. Rather than just grow your account from 10% to 15% or 20%, whatever. Okay, and but grow it consistent every month. And that can happen if you have strong equity and put lower risk, I mean, lower lot size, and keep your expectations as low as possible. If you're lucky enough, you can get 2 times, 3 times of what your expectation is. Okay, but don't exceed your expectations, and don't let your expectations to be dominating on your mind or your heart. Okay, because trading is something different, and your mind and heart is made for something different. If you are disciplined, if you keep your mind disciplined, then it is the best thing that you can do in trade. Discipline is very important. So guys, so we I I talk much enough, and I mean, it's going to be a long video. It is just the one account like that I'm sharing, but since these are the trades for 3 months, so it's taking longer. So that is the reason I tried making multiple videos one by one. So guys, all the links you can see in the description. All the links would be there in the description. I will be uploading, I will be creating the videos on another account one by one, and I will keep all the links of all the videos together. Okay, and I will also put the Google link. So finally, so we so with a deposit of 8,000, we made a profit of 8,723 in almost 3 months and few days. And with uh, diversify in the risk as well as diversification in the currency pairs. These pairs are not my favorite. I have just taken just like that. Okay, and I think there is one account running. I mean, I have just used, I am just showing you this account just because some people may say that, I mean, I'm not using any, I mean, real account or something like that. So just see it over here. This is just like I deposited on 1426 US dollars on 24th of August. And okay, so this is just like a few days, 24, today's 27, so it is 4 days trading, and I have just used just one pair because I personally suggest at least 1000 US dollars to trade one pair, and I personally trade with 1200 to 1500 at least for one pair. Okay, So don't go by the deposits and the withdrawals, because it is something like I was not using this account, and generally I don't prefer to trade with Okta due to the spread reason and many other reasons. But this is not the only trader that I use to trade with. I am using multiple brokers. So so this is the result: 65.59 for trading for 4 days. I think like I started Tuesday evening, so even you can exclude that day. So Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, like it's 3.5 days trading on one pair. Okay, so guys, I think that's pretty much it. And so that's pretty much it now. And quick rules to trade, as I have been speaking throughout the video. Choose the right strategy, whether you're trading manually or if you're using any kind of EA. Just choose the right one. Okay, don't go with the price that it is cheaper or something, because whatever the price that you will pay for an EA, your account balance would be twice or maybe three times of that, right? So why are you taking that much risk by going with the cost of an EA? Go with the quality of an EA. I'm not saying about me, because there might be multiple other EAs that are much better than what I have shown so far. Okay, and I can't control, or I can't even able to trade or use can all the EAs that are available in this planet, because there are plenty and thousands of EAs are being uploading or maybe creating on the daily basis, have been created on the daily basis, have been creating on the daily basis. Okay, so always choose the right strategy to trade. This is something that I'm saying about normal trading. It is not about any EA. Okay, so be practical and don't go by emotions, and have patience. Be practical with how the market is moving and where the market is moving. Don't go just by the theoretical things and by what you pretend. That doesn't matter. Okay, and be disciplined. Be disciplined means if you have already created a trading plan for your day, then be disciplined and stick to that, and trade where the market is going, and trade with the market. Not the way that you are pretending how the market should be doing, but trade with the market how it is going on. Okay, and accept your mistakes. If you have already made a trading plan, and if there is something wrong happening, then accept your mistake, learn from it, and then move on. Okay, and create a better trading plan afterwards. Focus on consistent growth, not on a high growth immediately. So you should start with a good balance that I have already been saying always. The profitability may be slow, but should be consistent. I mean, the growth should be consistent. That is all what I feel and what I believe on. It is not something that I'm forcing you to follow. It is something that I do believe. And don't overtrade. If you have already exceeded your expectation, or I mean, whatever the trading plan that you have already following, if you have already achieved that, then don't overtrade and be happy with what you have earned so far. Very important: risk versus money management. Whether you are trading through any EA or whether you are trading manually, manual trading is the best trading if you know how to trade. Okay, otherwise any EA is not going to make you a millionaire. Any EA is not going to make you winning every time. But yes, a right EA can make your trading easier. So trade with whatever you are confident with, whatever your plans, and whatever your trading plan, indicators, analysis, like whatever you follow. And if you are confident with, just trade with that. Don't overburden yourself by using multiple kind of other things that other people follow. What other people are following, they are comfortable with that, but you do whatever you are comfortable and confident with. Okay, and make your trading plan and goal on paper, because writing it on paper will help you something to follow. Otherwise, just thinking in the mind doesn't make sense. And manage your risk based on your capital and personality. Personality means how much risk you can take, how much loss you can take, how much profit is your expectation for the day, and manage your risk accordingly based on the capital you're having. So guys, that's pretty much it. That is what I had to share for today. And you can reach me via the contact methods as mentioned in the description, you know already. And so look forward to talk with you soon, and I will upload the videos one by one. This video has been going for almost like 30 minutes, so I'm so like it will take me some more time to create more videos on the same, but I will be doing it during weekend, and maybe I will provide all the links within the description itself. Okay, so guys, take care, stay safe, stay happy with your family, and goodbye for now.